How to fix Google Chrome sync paused error. To fix the Google Chrome sync paused error, ensure a stable internet connection or try following the steps. First of all, it always comes to a matter of internet. So right click on the mouse when you locate Wi-Fi, click on network and internet. On the next field, you simply want to disable Wi-Fi for a certain period of time and then re-enable. You could also right click and click on forget or repair it. That should be able to fix. In other cases, you could also try using your mobile data if that's possible. And if the issue still persists on, you simply want to close the tab and then reinstall it. Or else you could also right click on the mouse anywhere at the bottom, come to Task Manager and then locate Chrome. And when you locate Chrome, you simply want to make sure to right click and click on End Task, just like that. And once you've done it, so you should be able to fix. So you simply want to go ahead and make sure to end task by doing it. That will be able to close it up. If the issue still persists on, then you also want to make sure to check for update. So when you open up your Chrome, then right click or three dot icon and go to settings. As you go to settings, over here you simply want to go ahead and click on help or about Chrome section. Here you would go and look for any sort of update available. If the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to go to extension, disable some of the extension that's no longer removed, click on remove. The extension can also be able to fix. Likewise, you could also try disabling any sort of VPN that you're using. So these are a couple of things you could try in order to fix Google Chrome sync pause error. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.